Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn headband. First you take one like this, then you're going to hot glue this. So you're going to need an adult. You also need sparkly stone paper and a plain headband. Anyway. Roll your paper into cone shape like this. And then you're gonna need hot glue to glue this. Roll it over to stick. Now cut the edge of the cone. Cut the edge to make it straight. This unicorn. Now we're gonna attach it into a headband. Leather headband like this and stick it onto your headband. Now that it's done like this, you're gonna hot glue it and then you're gonna go like that. But you need somebody to do this, a mama or a papa. I put more hot glue secure. Right to the hot glue dry. Once it's dried, it will look like this. Now actually, you stick three, like these ones, any ones. When you glue all your accessories, you have it like this, and it's totally like this. Are you fun it fun? Now the glue is all dry, I'm gonna put on my head.